Welcome to our tutorial on how to forward a message as an attachment in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to follow. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Step 2. Next to the message that you want to forward as an attachment, click on the Select checkbox. This will highlight the message. Step 3. On the top menu, locate and click on the More option. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Forward as Attachment. This will open a new Compose window with the selected message attached. You can now add the recipient's email address, write a subject, and include any additional message you want to send along with the forwarded message. Forwarding messages as attachments in Gmail is a convenient way to share important or relevant conversations with others. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy emailing!